today we're going to try and get this auxiliary fan on. It's AC Infinity to the back of our fridge. You can tell it's getting hot, and it's not getting probably as cold as it should. So just an effort to make it more efficient, but not make it more complicated. I guess, right? Is that what we're trying to do?
I would think so.
Not make it complicated. So I don't want to drill any holes or anything like that. And what I want to do is get it on here secured so it doesn't move around. So we'll go with the handy dandy zip ties. Alright. See how that works. So, and yeah, you gotta make sure your flow is going the right direction. So you want the air coming in. I got a second one. I might put it at the top to push the hot air out, but we'll go with this one for now.
Now, when you're bringing in the air, if the outdoor air is warm, so the fan is pushing it through.
Circulating, yeah. You're just doing the best you can with what you have, I guess. This is like herding cats.
You need like 4 extra hands.
Yeah, something like that. Go through these vent brackets. The majority of it's set on top here, so I'm wrestling with these things. So I think we got it on there pretty good. And
Let's get a full-on shot here, frontal. I want to see the whole setup. There we go.
so this is the inside,
Right.
and it's resting on the screws on this face and pushed up against the vents with the zip ties around the cage. I said I don't want to put any holes in it. I mean, there's a million different ways you can mount this, I guess. Brackets on the inside, but I just want to see first how it works and then shoot from there.
Okay. So you plugged it in to what?
AC. The existing is AC for the fridge. Right here.
Now was that thing right there? Was that on it?
No.
You bought that?
Yeah, I already had that. So I can turn it on.
Oh, okay. And that was, you got that for this?
No, I've already had it.
Now, does that fan come on automatically
No.
by a sensor, or you just do that when you...
We've got food in there.
Show your remote.
So what I want to do is take the temperature. Just to take the temperature inside,
Okay.
and then let that run, and then let's see what it does.
What is it? What's the temperature right now?
83 degrees. 83. Let's see what it does. 50 degrees.
Okay.
It's right there. 45 on the vent. 50 down here. I'll say 50.
Okay. Okay, turning it on.
There it goes. So let that run and see what it does. That's gone down. Let's see. that's gone down.
Oh yeah, it's gone down quite a bit.
The second part of this is the fan that goes on the inside. This will complement the one on the outside. So this will go on the inside, and then
The inside of there.
put those in there. I'll get this right eventually. On and off.
How much air is it? Quite a bit of air coming out.
No, but you don't need no. There's enough.
You
Let's start
think?
pushing the top shelf right here.
Okay, and you pick the top shelf because
The coil's coming out of here and it's being pushed out, and they've got their own little fan here. But I'm gonna put it here with the intake right up against it, and in theory they should push. You can fit now. You can feel it. Feel it. Put your hand over there.
yeah.
So it'll be pushing the cold air now.
Okay.
See what it does.
All right. We'll see you in a bit.
The big reveal. See what happens. This is with both fans on, right? The outside fan.
Inside and outside fan.
Mm, 42. 45, 46. One. And back.